their nest sites. They are incredible architects, and they will reuse their nests every single year. You can find these guys in a much wider distribution across those areas. And they can be very, very adaptable.
Wow!
These birds can not only live in warm climates, but they do live in cold climates. They will nest underneath layers of snow. They are so protected over those nest sites, they will literally let snowfall cover them all over. And the longest ever used nest site was 34 years old. It was found in Vermilion in Ohio. They reused that nest site for 34 years in a row, rebuilding it, reconstructing it, weaving it back together.
Has it got a big shopping?
It's a hooded vulture, and when we start talking about angels, everybody goes, absolutely not a vulture. How could they possibly be? Owls get a little bit of a rep for not being the smartest birds in the world, but they are incredibly intelligent when you really dive into them. Sparrows and eagle owls can use artificial lighting to help them hunt. What they'll do is they'll wait till night time, they'll wait until street lamps being turned on. And they do this with the street lamps act as a magnet, creating moths and beetles in the area. She comes down and she gets all of her food in one go because she really puts a lot of effort into that story. The beauty of story is it is a non-powered flight when she's able to get it. She makes certain wing beats with it and she sets them, and they can literally go on for hours and hours, and it's really graceful. Pegasus, everybody, and black chested buzzards. National bird, 3 of those different countries out there. So Mongolia, they're also the national bird of Kuwait, and finally they're also the national bird of Hungary. Across Hungary, they also have a place within folklore too. This bird was the basis of a mythological creature known as the turtle, and the turtle was believed to protect nomadic cattle and nomadic livestock of people who travelled across those areas. Catches that look. She definitely rushes this part. She prefers to eat it as quick as possible and make sure that there's nothing else around her that might potentially pick it up and take it away from her. These guys are found in the original animation of Mulan. There is actually a Staker falcon that guides the Mongolian army.
So, everyone please meet Weasel, who is our Australian Goo Kibble. This is Australia's smallest and most common species of owl. And he's an absolute ninja. He's also a very beautiful owl as well. Weasel will quite quickly realise that dinner has run away through the archway. He's not noticed yet. Off he goes! Can you do it? Second time. Yes! This is Ash. And Ash is the great grey owl. His scientific name is Strix nebulosa, which sounds like straight out of Harry Potter. He doesn't really like the heat. He gets a little bit hot because he has got those stones. It's snowy and it's frozen. There's no leaves on the trees. that's like his favourite type of time of year. So Ash has got a huge volume of feathers. Underneath all of those feathers is just the tiniest little body. Sure how fluffy he is. Did you see all the wind moving, all the feathers on the back of his head? Is ask Ash to fly over the tops of your heads, and then we're going to try and experience some of this silent flight. What do we think, Ash? Are you going to show off for us? He's building up the suspense for the sound of Ash's wings as he beats them. So